Gephart and Gephart here in Hillsborough, North Carolina at the River Park concert. Free concert thrown by Hillsborough. It's a Kamada Joe block party. This is the first time I've thrown a party and had home field advantage. Here we go, getting the action. So we're doing 40 different menu items here. We got the best proteins on earth. Cheshire pork out of Goldsboro, North Carolina. Beautiful pork loins, beautiful shoulder blade meat. We got some Creekstone Farm flank steak. Really nice tri-tip as well. Lane's barbecue in the house with all the seasonings. It is absolutely epic right now.
I mean, I wish you could smell what I smell right now because it smells delicious.
You know, I think anytime that you have food, but especially amazing meats, like I saw the look on people's faces, seeing you grill these meats and all of it happening while they're standing there, yeah, it's unbeatable. Amazing.
So one of the methods I like to use during a big party like this is the reverse sear. It buys you a lot of time and saves you a lot of grill estate. I'm able to juggle around depending on the volume of people coming at me, and we make sure that we've got food constantly going out, top quality. This is the way you throw a block party. All right, you can tell it's got a little ways to go. A lot of surface area, great opportunity for us to instill some big, bold flavors. Now we're gonna season up a little kunami. That soapstone just gets you that big, bold sear. Non-porous surface, blasting away. That's what I'm talking about. Show you how tender it is. Here we go. Look at that. People always want to see the bend. There it is.
It's not the cut of meat, it's how you cook it.
Oh my gosh, people are about to freak out. I just want to say thanks for joining us. Look for us on all channels of our social media, and hopefully we'll see you next time in your town. Cheers.